Economics Standard 12th, Lesson number 10, Industrial Sector. Let's go to a few questions. Question number 1. Let me find out the question that I have already taught you today in the classroom. So first is, what is small scale industries? Answer is here 10.2, 1.3. Industries which have investment of more than rupees 25 lakhs and less than 5 crores. Let me repeat. What is small scale industries? Industries which have investment of more than rupees 25 lakhs and less than 5 crore and utilize labor intensive production technology. What do they utilize? They utilizes labor intensive production techniques and supports industries to big industries are known as small scale industries. For example, units producing tools and simple consumer goods, auto repair units, etc. Let me repeat. What is small scale industries? Industries which have investment more than rupees 25 lakhs and less than 5 crores and utilizes labor intensive production techniques and supports industries to big industries are known as small scale industries. For example, units producing tools and simple consumer goods, auto repairs units, etc. Question number 2. What is medium scale industries? Industries which have investment limit of more than rupees 5 crores and less than 10 crores. Let me repeat. What is medium scale industries? Industries which have investment limit of more than rupees 500 crores, rupees 5 crores and less than rupees 10 crores, utilizes labor intensive or capital intensive production techniques are known as medium scale industries. For example, industries of machinery, chemicals, electronics equipments, etc. Question number 3. What is large scale industries? Industries which have investment of more than rupees 10 crores and utilizes capital intensive production technique known as large scale industries. For example, industries related to equipments of railway, big vehicles, iron, etc. So I suggest all of you, when you study lesson number 10, you must read what is small scale industries, what is medium scale industries and what is large scale industries. Let me study one more and last question of the day. It is about SEZ, Special Economic Zone. Let me find out the question. It is here, economic zone. Let me read. Special economic zones, known as SEZ, were introduced from 1st April 2000. Its main purpose is to attract foreign investment and to develop control-free environment for exports, to make Indian producing sectors as equivalent to those of the world. tax incentives granted by law for special economic zones to attend foreign investors. These special economic zones are developed from the model of special economic zones of China, which are very helpful to develop export oriented producing sector with foreign direct investment. Tax free zones are being created by special economic zones. In other words, it can be said that within the nation, says are that types of geographical area where economic laws remains different. China, India, Jordan, Poland, Philippines, Russia and North Korea have utilized special economic zone. India has set up 8 special economic zones: Santa Cruz, Cochin, Kandla, Surat, Chennai, and Visakhapatnam, West Bengal, and Noida, Uttar Pradesh. In addition to new 8 special economic zones are proposed. So, just today we studied 4 questions. Question number 1: what is small scale industries? What is medium scale industries? And what is 2 and 3rd? And we studied also special economic zone. So let me search what was the 3rd. Small scale industries and medium scale industries, small scale industries and large scale industries. Thank you very much. We will study more in our next video. Please study, enjoy the video and study very well. Thank you very much.